नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारी खास पेशकश में। आज हमारे साथ पैक्का लिमिटेड के टॉप मैनेजमेंट जुड़ रहे हैं। मिस्टर जगदीप हीरा जुड़ रहे हैं, एमडी एंड इंडिया बिजनेस हेड के। जगदीप सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फर्स्ट फॉर योर फैंटास्टिक लिस्टिंग ऑन एनएसई सर। आप इतने सालों से कंपनी आपकी लिस्टेड थी बीएसई पर भी। सर, कंपनी के बारे में बताएं, क्योंकि अब कंपनी चूंकि हाईलाइट हो जाती है जब दोनों एक्सचेंजेस पर लिस्ट हो जाती है तो बहुत तरह के जो नए नए निवेशक होते हैं जो कि केवल बीएससी की कंपनी को ट्रैक नहीं करते हैं, एनएससी वाली कंपनीज को भी ट्रैक करते हैं। सर, उन निवेशकों के लिए अपनी कंपनी के बारे में बताएं, क्या कुछ चेंजेस हुए हैं सर?
थैंक यू विवेक, नमस्कार। सो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है कंपनी का। हम लोग we are operating since last 42 years from a small township of Ayodhya, Ramjan Bhumi, and since last 42 years we were operating from that place. We got listed in BSC in 94, and during that time also we approached NSE, which just came up during that time only, but certain criteria were not met. Since if you know the company and the background, since last 6-7 years we have totally transformed from a paper industry background to a packaging industry, where we did relatively better and we could meet those guidelines of NSE, and then we thought of getting listed because of more visibility to the investors, to the stakeholders, and that's why we got listed. And it was a dual thing coming on the same day. From Yash Papers, we changed to Yash Pakka in 2018, and then now Yash Pakka to Pakka. So Pakka is very unique, and if you read the tagline also, it says packaging with the soul. So whatever we try to do from the soul, heart se, dil se karna chahte hain. And the vision of the company is to leave the earth cleaner. So इसीलिए जो भी बनाते हैं हम, whatever we produce, we try and produce whichever is compostable. And पूरा cyclic economy में हम लोग कोई carbon footprint जितना कम हो जाए, and that's the effort what we are trying to do.
Fantastic initiative, sir. But why you are changing names so frequently? I mean, in last 30 years, you have just changed your company's name in 3 times. So what was the reason?
So this is the second time, Yash Paper to Pakka, and then Pakka to Yash Pakka to Pakka. Yes, going forward, when we changed our product profile initially, we never thought of going from Yash Papers. So first instant Yash Papers to Yash Pakka was getting a I would say जो एक धारणा और पेपर इंडस्ट्री की धारणा है उससे निकल के यश पैका में डोमेन पैकेजिंग की डोमेन में आए. And now we are listed on NSE today. Along with it, there were certain footsteps we were trying to take internationally. So past 1 year we have been thoroughly studying the international market on the compostable footprints along with the raw material availability. So you might have heard read over the net that we are going global as well. So
yes,
so second plant at Guatemala, which is Central America, is on the talks. We have gone ahead on that. So name per se, for the name change, if you want to link, it's going global as well.
Yes, sir. I just coming on this point as well. Like you are just planning to invest around 500 crore in Ayodhya itself for a capacity expansion, as well as you are investing heavily in North America. Sir, can you tell us what kind of capacity you have right now, and what could be the capacity addition post this plant expansion completed?
So right now we have a pulping capacity of around 130 tons on a daily basis. So post expanding at Ayodhya, this will lead us to 175 tons on a daily basis. So we are coming up with a newer line, which will be flexible packaging, which the paper goes, a highly engineered paper goes in chocolate packaging, chip packaging, where there are very critical properties to be maintained. Both engineered product hai that we already have developed it in-house. So like paper capacity, we are taking to flexible packaging to double the capacity right now. 42,000 ton, 42,000 tons we are doing. It will take us to double the capacity of the existing. It would be through 550 CR of investment at Ayodhya. And the second investment, which I spoke about, the Guatemala, would be $250 million. So it's around 2,000 crores. So, there's a bigger dream we are taking and bigger leap we are taking in the business.
Sir, I want to know the client's name because you are packaging so many big names. So can you just name some of your clients?
So just to name a few and the important ones, Haldiram is one. So if you've been to Haldiram, kahin bhi jayenge ya airports pe kahin bhi jayenge. So Haldiram is all brown plates and bowls are with the brand name of Chuck, which is owned by Pakka. So Chayos are the other one. Chai Point is another one. Annapurna Catering is another one. Or airport pe aap kahin bhi dikh jayenge.
And so what about this Amazon and Google?
So we are listed on Amazon also, and we are at Big Basket as well. So these are the bigger clients we are serving.
Okay. And so what kind of revenue you are generating right now, and what's your expectation post the expansion completed? Like, firstly, I would talk about the Ayodhya plant because it's going to be operational in 2025 post capacity expansion I'm talking about. So what could be the capacity addition and revenue generation from this plant?
So Ayodhya, we did 420 CR of top line last year. With PBT percentage of around 17%, a bit of 23%. So this year we are looking crossing 550 to 570 CR of top line with almost the same EBITDA levels. So, and the track record has been the same. So wherever we are, we want to give a better realization to the stakeholders. So not leaving this space, post expansion at Ayodhya, we would be touching 4-digit top line. So there's foresightedness and there's look forward revenue figures post expansion. Apart from it, the Guatemala, which is 250 million 2000 crore capex. So we are looking at a bigger picture there. Because the realization of the products are much going to be much higher than the existing. So hum log 2030 tak we want to be above a billion company.
Right, sir. Fantastic. Sir, what kind of margins are there in your business, and what's the key concern? Because most of the packaging companies are having a fear of, say, crude oil price hike. Because if we talk about the leading name of your segment, they are having a direct correlation with the crude oil prices. So is there any correlation of your raw material with the crude oil price, and what kind of raw material you are using, what kind of margins you are generating?
Vivek, our total raw material, approximately 90%, I would say, in total product profile, is around 90% is bagasse, which is again dependent on the sugar industries. So the pointer which you said, the concern point, the long-term concern point could have been a raw material scarcity. So which probably the industry might have seen in earlier post-COVID time also, that there is a scarcity of the raw material for our industry. So we had that concern in our mind. So we had gone ahead and done a rolling 3 years agreement with the sugar industries, so that the back end is always safe, and we always are there to serve the customers. So that has been a winning point for us. We've taken care of strategically for the raw material customers. If we talk of our end users and the customers, you will be amazed to know that we have customers over 30 years now. So
Exactly.
that has been our prime focus, to be attached to a customer and give a competitive edge over their competitors. So till that point we go to solve, to innovate for them. So scarcity of raw material was a major concern which we have taken, and at Guatemala also, pre-startup we have already done 10 years long-term agreement with the sugar industries, and the sugar industries are going to participate in the equity as well with us.
So whatever you are investing in both the branch in Ayodhya and in North America, what are the key source of this fund?
So key source will come dual. It will be debt and equity as well.
And what could be the portion of debt and equity, sir? Can you just
So
tell us?
we are looking at around 150 of equity and 100 of debt out of 250.
So can we have another round of can we have any round of preferential issue or FPO or any other issue, QIP kind of issue?
So right now we have not thought of, because Pakka Inc., which is a US company, is a subsidy of Pakka. So there we will be diluting around 30% of equity in Pakka.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, sir, for your precious time, and I hope that your company will prosper in the NSE exchange as well, and you get your due advantage, whatever you have done in past, and आपको अच्छा लगे कि आप अयोध्या प्लांट को शुरू करें और जल्द से जल्द और उसका बेहतर बेनिफिट लें. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर हमसे छोटे.
Thank you, Vivek. Thank you.